This is your routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. Today is August 15th. This briefing will cover the period from Thursday, August 15th through Wednesday, August 22nd. Taking a look at the upcoming weather pattern for Central North Carolina, we will have a dry day today. Most of the area should be dry tomorrow, just a little bit of a chance of rain getting into the triad as early as tomorrow afternoon. The greatest chance of rain will be Saturday night and Sunday across our entire area. Then the chance of rain will linger across eastern counties into next week itself. Temperatures will be normal. And then while Hurricane Ernesto is out in the Atlantic Ocean and it will have no direct impacts on North Carolina, it is expected to pass over Bermuda Saturday. It will bring dangerous rip currents to the coast. So if you are going down for some mid to late August time to be careful if you are going in the water. Taking a look at the severe thunderstorm potential over the next 8 days, we have a chance for general thunderstorms west of the triangle tomorrow. If you take a look at Saturday, that's when we have 2 green colors on there. The light green is just the general thunderstorm threat, not really expecting any severe storms there. And you can see the darker green is generally to the west of US 1 for the most part on Saturday. And then we are not outlooked in any severe thunderstorm threat past Saturday. If we take a look at the precipitation forecast, the amounts, taking a look today, again, nothing across our area. You can see maybe just a couple of hundredths making its way into the triad on Friday. Again, generally along US 1 or to the west on Saturday. Sunday is the day that we see widespread precipitation across the entire area. I think I see just to the south of Raleigh a little bit of the darker blue color, which is indicating the potential for 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. That rain sticks around mainly across our eastern counties on Monday, so that 5-day total is generally giving somewhere in that dark green color for the most part across the area, which is generally 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. If we take a look at the excessive rainfall outlook from the Weather Prediction Center, taking a look at today, tomorrow, and Saturday, that risk of excessive rainfall is less than 5% across any of our forecast area. And the same ends up going for Sunday into Monday. That is not going to be a threat locally. But hey, it is great to be able to show you this drought update. We had just a little bit of rain from Debbie last week. And so with that, the drought monitor is officially clear across our entire forecast area. All of the remaining abnormally dry and drought areas have been removed. There is still 11% of the state, mainly across the mountains, that is considered abnormally dry, but you can see in the bottom center where last week's drought status was, and we did end up clearing up that moderate drought in parts of Forsyth, Guilford, and maybe scraping Davidson County. So not a lot of rain expected next week, but again, we have returned our drought status back to normal, so we can probably handle a week with 1/2 an inch or so of rain. That shouldn't cause too much of an issue. Taking a look at the graphical tropical weather outlook, that 7-day outlook is on the west showing Ernesto, and don't explicitly have Ernesto's track here. Again, Ernesto is the only storm that is threatening in the Atlantic Ocean at this point. Again, that track is expected to take it over Bermuda on Saturday, but we are not expecting any other tropical cyclone development in the next 7 days. I apologize that these graphics are a day or two old. We are having some server maintenance being done, but this is the forecast as of Tuesday, looking through the 21st through the 27th. So slightly outdated, but still it's a long range temperature and precipitation outlook anyway. I did not think to update that text there, which said the 40 to 50% chance of the above normal temperatures. It is generally a normal chance of above or below normal precipitation across our entire forecast area. If you look at the bottom center, you can see that our normal temperatures for this time of year ranging from the mid to upper 80s for highs, and the lows are generally in the upper 60s to about 70 degrees. Looking at our experimental graphical hazard weather outlook, you can see the severe thunderstorm risk is lit up on Saturday for that marginal threat. We do have several days where thunderstorms are potential, and also a limited excessive heat threat as well. So again, the weather summary and the expected impacts, the slow moving cold front that we'll have coming across the area could bring rain in portions of the area Friday, Saturday, Sunday, into next week. Our temperatures will be near normal. Ernesto will not have any direct impacts to central North Carolina itself, but if you are heading to the coast, it could bring some dangerous rip currents. And again, our primary hazard that we have over the next 7 days should be looking at a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms on Saturday. Damaging wind gusts would be the primary hazard from those thunderstorms.